Hi everyone. Welcome to 1099 Online. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to create an e-file form W-2 using 1099 Online. Let's get started. From the dashboard, go to Forms and select W-2. Next, select the pair, also referred to as the employer, and the recipient, or employee, for whom you want to prepare the W-2. 1099 Online provides an auto-calculation option to help make form preparation faster and easier. You can keep auto-calculation turned on, or turn it off if you prefer to enter the amounts manually. Next, select the applicable kind of pair. In this example, we'll select regular 941. Then, choose the appropriate kind of employer. If none of the listed options apply, select None Apply. If the business was terminated during the current tax year, select the applicable checkbox. Now, enter the employee's wages, tips, and other compensation, along with the applicable federal income tax withheld and any other required W-2 amounts. As you enter the information, 1099 Online displays the corresponding values on the form, making it easy to review your entries. Next, enter the state information. Select the applicable state. In this example, we'll choose Connecticut. Add the state wages, tips, and other compensation and state income tax withheld, if applicable. Make sure to enter the state ID the applicable format. Once all the details are complete, review the information and click Save and Continue. You'll now be redirected to the Unsubmitted Forms page. Select the W-2 form you want to submit and complete the required selections. Then, click Submit for this pair. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Review and verify the information, select the checkbox, and click OK to continue. To make changes, click Cancel. Next, you'll be taken to the payment page. Choose your preferred payment option. You can select a saved or new card and billing address, or use the available balance in your prepay wallet. Review the payment details and click Pay Now. And that's it. Your Form W-2 has been submitted successfully through 1099 Online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next 1099 Online tutorial.